Hi everyone. Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll be learning how to change the brush color in Photoshop, step by step. Changing brush colors is one of the basics in Photoshop, but it can make a big difference when you're working on creative projects. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, let's create a new layer. Creating a new layer is a great way to work non-destructively, meaning you can always go back to your original image if you make any mistakes. To create a new layer, go to the Layers panel on the right, click the New Layer icon at the bottom, and your blank layer will appear above your main image. Next, we'll select a color for our brush. Go to the bottom of the toolbar on the left and click on the foreground color swatch. This opens up the color picker. Here, you can select any color you'd like by clicking around or entering a specific color code. Once you have the color you want, click OK to set it. With your color set, let's select the brush tool. You can do this by pressing B on your keyboard or selecting the brush icon from the toolbar on the left. Now you're ready to paint with your new color. Click and drag to start painting on your blank layer, and you'll see the brush applying the color you chose. But let's say you want to change the color as you're working. All you have to do is go back to the foreground color, click on it, choose a new color, and start painting with the updated color. Lastly, if you want to get an exact color from an image, use the Eyedropper tool. Click on the eyedropper, and then click on the color in the image, and Photoshop will automatically add that color to your foreground color. And that's it! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.